We're at Willets Point project in Queens, New York, right by City Fields. This is about roughly 860,000 square foot project. It's 881 apartments over 2 buildings. We are covering the electrical scope, the fire alarm scope, and all of our systems pathways. We're working with related companies here in New York. This is our first project with them in New York City. We take the time to really make sure those conversations are happening. They're very impressed with Power Design's processes and look forward to doing more business with us in this region in the future. From a field standpoint, you take a little bit of extra time in the beginning to make sure all your coordination is put together and meets what the client wants, and then it mitigates a consistent amount of labor and material. Prefab really allows us to keep a smaller crew, which is significantly easier to manage. It allows a significantly smaller amount of material to be on the project, which is also easier to manage and allows us to overall be successful at a different rate than we were able to be previously. Really, it does, if with a little bit of extra work in the beginning, it really simplifies the overall process and the overall success of the project. Prefab makes things more seamless, there's no question. They build it out exactly how we say. We said we want our nipples to be this long, we want our panels to be at this height off of the ground, mounted on the strut that's provided. We want this type of mounting bracket. They build it exactly how we want it. We walk into this room, we stick it up on the wall, we install it, and that's the end of mounting that piece of gear. What we're trying to accomplish is having fewer people in the field to be able to build our equipment. And now it's built down in a controlled environment in Florida instead of in the chaos of the construction site. So it's been extremely helpful and it makes construction superior and seamless compared to previously when we just did our rough out basic.
When we're prefabbing our panels here for our electrical rooms, we're mitigating a lot of risk out on the job sites that have a lot of downstream benefits. A lot of those things include material handling, QC of our quality of our build, on-time deliveries, less manpower, and a lot less safety issues, having a lot of the work done here at the warehouse. When we have a production line here at the warehouse of the stages of the different processes of assembling a panel, we have checkpoints at every single stage, not just at the final product. We also take a picture and make sure that our field team has visibility of that before it even gets on a truck to get to their job site. Mitigating the material handling aspect on the job site is a huge benefit for them. When it's arriving to the job site already built and ready to be installed in the room that they need it is a huge way that we could push the job. With Willets Points being our first full package, including units and electrical rooms, and in a new region for us, we were able to tackle this project and get it done successfully for them.
We have just capabilities far beyond what any other typical contractor has. And the fact is we're able to bring the premier product to our customer at the right price without sacrificing anything. We're thriving based off of the innovation that Power Design is all about. Power Design is becoming a name out here in New York City, and I'm looking forward to us being the name here in New York City.